Okay, so this is what I'm going to need you to do. Number 1, subscribe. Number 2, hit the notification bell. Number 3, get ready for some awesome stuff, y'all. Get ready for it all. Get ready for hairstyles like this. You know, I'm rocking my Fro Hawk for today, which is Fro Friday. Get ready for my Wednesdays, which is Rap Wednesday. Y'all already know I'm going to have a fly rap whipped up and ready for you. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Google+, Twitter, and my blog, OlenaRosanne.com. Are you ready for it? I know I'm ready. It's been a year already, you guys. I can't even believe it. So I thank everyone who has followed me so far, everyone who has stuck with me, everyone who has beautiful comments of inspiration, and, you know, pumped up a sister, because, you know, I kind of need that. And if you are on YouTube, I'm one of those ones who I'll follow you right on back, and we'll support each other. Also, it's been a year since I've had a blog, y'all. A year since I started OlenaRosanne.com, and a whole lot more has happened since then. I've opened up a Facebook group called the Advocacy Garden, and that's where I deal with topics of special needs and mental health. And it's something that's not always discussed in the Black community, people of color. You know, we kind of shy away from that topic, but I'm not shying away from it because it's something that personally affects my family, my household. So stay tuned for things like that. I started off as just a natural hair channel, and I've opened it all the way up. I have grown, just like the garden I have here, into something more. I'm presenting more lifestyle topics now. So you never know, it's going to be a range of things from hair, makeup, DIY, words of encouragement, but you'll only know if you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Until then, I will see you later, roses. Bye.